I am Attorney Cancio Nicanor Mocoro Gibone, or Attorney Pogi. Doon ako kilala sa Cagayan de Oro City at sa Misamis Oriental, kung saan ako galing. I am a graduate of Economics from the University of the Philippines, Diliman, Dean's List, the youngest ever Regional Legal Officer of the Department of Interior and Local Government, Northern Mindanao, the youngest ever Provincial Attorney of the Province of Misamis Oriental. I have worked with the Asian Institute of Management, Philippine Center for Policy Studies, UP Diliman, and currently on private practice in the city of Cagayan de Oro City and the province of Misamis Oriental with the law firm Gibone and Gibone Law Office. Bakit ako tumatakbo? May 7 missions. So, gusto ko yan, no? 1, the West Philippine Sea and an independent, nationalist Philippine foreign policy. Kailangan nating dipinsan ang West Philippine Sea. At saka kailangan nating i-develop ang Benham Rise. So, kung sakaling may gulo sa West Philippine Sea, Philippine sovereignty must be upheld at all times. Maraming nagtatatong, kailangan bang ipaglaban na hindi naman natin kaya ng China? It's not a question of kailangan lumaban. Dapat lumaban. Pero may mga laban na hindi lang sa dahas, merong sa UN. Pero dapat nating palakasin ang ating armed forces. That brings us to point 2. We must modernize urgently the armed forces of the Republic of the Philippines. A republic without an upgraded and modernized armed forces is a defenseless republic. Kailangan yan. Marami nagsasabi, bakit hindi ba tayo bibili ng pagkain, ng edukasyon? Palagi yan. Pero nakakalimutan ang depensa, ang security ng Pilipinas. We must upgrade the armed forces of the Philippines. And government must support and in fact encourage a local defense industry. The Philippines is number 4 in shipbuilding in the whole world. Pero civilian, it is high time that government must encourage a local defense industry. We can save on dollars for our imports, we can create jobs, and we can earn taxes for the national government. 3, I have been Regional Legal Officer for DILG. We must strengthen local government. Paano yan? Bukang bibig lang. Pero we must give local government resources. How? 1, ngayon 40% ang ating IRA. We must increase that to 60%. Sabi nila, ang laki naman. Gusto nga ng national government na bigyan yung Bangsamoro ng 75 billion a year. What is 60% of IRA? Bigayan. Second, yung internal, yung income taxes na kinokolekta sa local government units, sa BIR doon, napupunta lahat sa national. Ang gusto ko, 20% of the income tax collected in BIRs located in local government units must be retained. 20% doon lang sa LGU. Only 80% must be given to the national government. 3, peace, not appeasement. No to BBL. Yes to inclusive peace and reconciliation. Mindanawan ako. Nakapunta ng Maynila, nagtrabaho, nag-aral. Yung BBL in its original form is a recipe for civil war. 121 pages, I have read it thrice. Not one word na Filipino nandyan sa BBL na original form. Pero yung word na uranium, it was mentioned even 6 times. Bakit? Ang lupa kong Mindanao, para lang ba sa mga kapatid natin na Muslim? Hindi. Para lang sa lahat ng Pilipino. Hindi pa dumating ang Islam, nandyan na yung Magindanawan, yung Tausug, yung Yakan, Ilanan. Hindi pa dumating si Kristo sa Pilipinas, nandyan na yung Bisaya, kasama ko, Bicolano, Ilocano. Yung Lumads na Pilipino, andito na sa Pilipinas, bago dumating si Allah at saka si Kristo. All-inclusive growth. Gusto namin There must be a Trans-Luzon Railway. There must be a Trans-Mindanao Railway. This can span economic growth. Divorce in 10 years. There's a lot of hypocrisy in this country. Ayaw na nating paluin yung mga bata. We have 9262, violence against women and their children. Pwede nang sampahan ng babae ang kaniyang asawa o kaniyang may bahay. Tapos ayaw mong paghiwalayin. This is a middle ground. 10 years lang, hindi kayo pwede maghiwalay. Pero after 10 years, pwede. We have isa lang, second chance at love. This is a middle ground between the Catholic Church at saka yun sa mga gustong mag-divorce. Pero hindi yung divorce na ngayon nagkasal, bukas, divorce na. Bumili kayo ng saging, bukas pag nakita mo lanta, ibabalik mo. No, there must be a sanctity of marriage. But hindi natin idilat, hindi natin close our eyes sa katotohanan na may impyerno dyan sa bahay dahil hindi nagkatugma yung pagpili sa kanyang asawa. No? Isa lang, good governance, sports, and Filipinism. Kailangan nating kumanta ng bayan ko. Kailangan nating turuan ang ating mga bata kumanta ng Pilipinas kung mahal. Nasaan na yung sense of Filipino na minsan kinakanta natin puro English. So, dapat turuan din natin yung bata kung paano magiging Filipino. One good thing is yung sports. We must develop a national sports program and government must support official sports program, especially yung sa basketball, volleyball, the PBA, the PSL, the Shakers V-League. Sports unify a nation. Hanggang dito lang ako. Ako si Attorney Pogi Gibone. Laban Pilipinas!